Okay, YouTube, this video is going to be over pseudo-verbs, alright? Pseudo-verbs. And the two pseudo-verbs I want to talk about are gusto and puede. Uh, they're categorized as pseudo-verbs because they don't act like your typical Cebuano verbs, yet they kind of do in a sense, but they're also kind of showing actions of verbs. So like I guess they're kind of their own little category of pseudo verbs, meaning false verbs or fake verbs. But they're still a part of the language and they need to be looked at. So I don't know how many pseudo verbs there are, but I just want to take a look at two. Simple, like the simple two verbs that we commonly use. And the first one is gusto, meaning to like or to want, depending on the context or the situation that you're talking about. And puede, which means to be able to, or to be able to do something, or to can do something, or if you're able to, if you can do something, right? And the examples I have below are reflective of those two pseudo verbs. So the first one is, and I'm not going to go explain these in much in depth because this video is already far along my series of videos, and you should probably already know what these grammar aspects are. So coming on soon from, I guess not from this point on, but from yeah, maybe around this point on, I'm not gonna explain things, as you should probably already get the gist of how things are gone. But if there's something I feel like I need to explain, I will deconstruct it and explain it for you. But at this point, you should probably get the gist of how things are going now with Cebuano, right? So the first sentence is, Unsa imong gusto pag inom, right? What do you want to drink? Or what would you like to drink? Unsa imong gusto pag inom, right? Inom, gusto is right there, right? You're liking to drink. What would you like to drink? Unsa imong gusto pag inom? The next one is kind of like the answer to that first question, right? So you can answer it with just the noun that you want. No, I just want to drink beer, right? Gusto kog cerveza. Boom. But this one's particular with four. So gusto kog upat ka cerveza. Okay, gusto kog upat ka cerveza. I want 4 beers. And the last one for this example here is ang gusto ko, ikaw. Pwede ba? So in this sense here, we put gusto as a as in the absolutive case here with that absolutive marker, the subject marker for ang. And of course, ko is the short form of ako, already the pronoun in the absolutive case. So ang gusto ko, ikaw. My liking, or what do I want? You. Ikaw. I want you. And the tax sentence after it, puede ba, is like, am I able to can I do it, or am I able to do it? So what do I want? You. Is it possible? Puede ba? Posible ba? Is it possible? Can I do it? Or yeah. So that's something you can always ask someone, whoever you like or whoever you want, whoever you love. So, but then the last three have to deal with puede. Even though I put puede here, it's just kind of like a little transition. So puede is like to be able to, remember? So puede ba magnigarilyo dinhi? So puede ba magnigarilyo dinhi means is it okay, or are we able to, or am I able to smoke here, right? Puede ba, is it okay to smoke here? Am I able to smoke here, or can I smoke here? The next one is dili puede pagsulod sa gawas. Okay, no, you cannot. So there's a negative plus the puede, right? No, you cannot enter, or pagsulod means like to leave, to enter or to go out of a doorway outside. Sulod is like to enter into a place or to enter, but in this case it's like pagsulod sa gawas is like to enter, or to, I guess, exit maybe, but to enter in the outside, or to enter outside. Dili pwede pagsulod sa gawas. No, you cannot enter outside. And then the last one is kung pwede, if able to, right? Kung pwede, unta sayo tag mag-abot. If we're able to, sayo unta sayo tag mag-abot, which means we will arrive. We should arrive in the morning if we're able to. Kung pwede, unta sayo tag mag-abot. So if we're able to, we should be early to arrive. Sayo means early, ta is us, and mag-abot means to arrive or to reach a place. right? And there's that unta again, which I'm not gonna explain because you should probably already know what that. So kung pwede unta sa'yo ta mag-abot. If only we can, or if we can, we should be early to arrive. All right, so that wraps up this video. Now, Kiki, you can go talk.